Hi everybody, today I'm going to teach you guys how to clean a glass cooktop. I'm Jay, this is Jay's How-To channel. I accidentally made a huge mess on my cooktop, and I'm going to show you how to clean that up right now. First, let's get this paper towel really wet. Then we'll bring it over to the stove. 2 paper towels can hold like a 1/4 cup of water. You'll want to get this really wet. And now we're going to come in with some Barkeeper's Friend. This cleanser, it's not really a cleanser. It's amazing. It does such a good job, and it doesn't scratch. It's not abrasive. It's actually a polish. Okay, we're coming back to the sink and squeezing this paper towel out. Just keep it damp, and let's get back over to the stove. Now we're going to make small circles to protect the surface of the cooktop. Just keep making little circles and sometimes figure eights, and just get this whole surface scrubbed up. Here we go. Now you can feel through the paper towel, you can feel when it hits the cooked on food on the surface. I'm rubbing this right now really aggressively. And you can feel it, and it'll break away. And when it gets really smooth, you can move on to the next surface. So this Barkeeper's Friend, I'll list my Amazon link down in the description of this video. You guys can help support my channel by purchasing this. That doesn't cost you anything extra. Just use the link. Amazon just pays me a commission. So just use this paper towel and the moisture, and this makes a paste, and you can just spread this around and polish up your whole cooktop surface. I found a couple more little cooked on food spots over here, and yeah, we've got it. It's getting all cleaned up. So what product do you guys think is best for a cooktop? Let me know down in the comment section. Now you can use this product on stainless steel, porcelain, ceramic, even copper and brass. And you can use it on Corian countertops, but don't use it on a stone countertop. It will, the stone is super soft, and it's going to cause it to break down. Okay, I'm going to speed this up and watch this dry, and you can see it just turn into a haze. I sped this up about 8 times. And now we're going to come in and do a little test spot on this lower left corner. There. And now with a dry paper towel, just come in and just wipe it all off. It'll just polish up really pretty and beautiful, and it'll be completely taken care of. All that muscle work you put into it completely paid off. If you guys like this video, please press that like button and consider subscribing. I'm going to show you the before and after shots right now. Here's the before, and here's the after. Thanks, you guys. Appreciate you watching this video all the way to the end, and thanks again.